Hey fam, today I'm going to show you how you can create amazing presentations with Gamma, just by using prompts and in no time at all. You're going to see how fast it is. And to make it even cooler, I'll walk you through an example by creating a presentation about additive prompting, my favorite technique for generating image prompts. This is going to be in real time, so let's get started. Okay, so let's head to gamma.app and hit on create new. Then we are going to hit here in import file, and then we are going to upload a file, in this case, because I've prepared a PDF with all the information about additive prompting. So what would you like to create with this content? A presentation, a web page, or a document? In this case, we want to create a presentation, so we hit here and continue. And the prompt is being configured. This is so fast, guys. And we have here all the information from the PDF, and that's cool. Okay, we set the text content. I feel this option is good to me. The max text per card, detailed, that's cool. The output language, English, okay. And the images, AI images, and the Model Flags Pro, which is cool. You have here several options. Imagen 3, Playground 2.5, Flags Pro, Ideogram 2.0, Leonardo Phoenix. So this is super cool. And once everything is good here, we can choose the number of cards or the number of slides we are going to show in the final document. Let's choose 9 cards in this case, for example, and finally hit continue. And in this page, this is the last step before it starts creating the content. We have to choose our favorite theme. Okay, for example, this one is good. Maybe, yeah, this one looks better for me. And finally, we can hit here on generate. So after 5 to 6 seconds, it is going to start creating the content. You'll see. This is super fast, guys. Okay, mastering additive prompting, a comprehensive guide, this image here, that's cool. This is, everything is AI generated, guys. What is additive prompting? Okay, benefits, applying it step by step. Okay, the structure of an additive prompt, that's cool. Main subject, action or context, style, additional visuals here, and the technical parameters. In case, for example, if you are using Midjourney, these style parameters and so on. And with a practical example, guys, building a prompt, this is so cool. The initial idea is a samurai warrior, standing in a bamboo forest, and okay, wearing traditional armor, holding a katana, and the atmosphere and so on. And this is super cool because the image represents perfectly this slide. And here we go again. You can change the style with here a concept art, a surreal photography, fantasy scene with the examples. This is super cool, guys. And common mistakes and how to avoid them. Okay, super good. And the conclusion. Okay, so I feel it doesn't need any changes here. So we can go and present it. And you see like this. You have also these transition effects and so on. This is super cool. Okay. And you can also share this presentation. You can export it to PDF, PowerPoint. This is super useful. So I hope you guys like it and see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.